thoughts in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keep.
I can't believe this is what my life has become, but I'm loving it. I'm actually enjoying it, being a hands-on mom.
Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel?
Hi guys. I don't know if this is going to be the start of a new vlog, but yeah, I just have this. I'm holding this, so that's why I'm looking down. So I just want to put on my makeup. So I want to put on my makeup and do a story time. It's been so long since we did a story time in this channel. I think the last story time I did for you guys was in November. The one I was talking about me working in a casino. So yeah, first of all, let's appreciate my new hair. You can call me Becky with the good hair. So I got my hair done. I got my hair done yesterday and I'm happy with it. I love the color. They're just braids. So I want to do my makeup, then do the story time, or just do the makeup while I am giving you guys the story time. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And welcome to my channel. Kindly do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Comment on the comment section, like, you know the drill. So I hope you guys are doing well. I seem like I'm in a rush to start the video, but it's because Tam just slept like an hour ago and I want to be done with the story time by the time he's waking up so that I can feed him. So it's 1:27 p.m. and Tam is asleep, and that's why I want to like hurry a little bit and finish up with the story time before he wakes up, because Tam he can't let me do the story time. He never wants to see the ring light lying around. He'll start disturbing me. So I want to get done with the story time, and probably if he'll not be awake by then, I can do a few TikTok or a few reels. So that's my plan for today. I already did the house chores and yeah, I'm happy. My life is in order. Actually, my 7 a.m. waking up at 7 a.m. really helps me. It gives me a very productive day, and I'm planning to continue the same because wow, I love my life now. Because at about 10 a.m. I'm usually done with every chore, and what's left is just playing with Tam and relaxing. I catch up with vlogs if I don't have any pending work to do. So that's about my day. So yeah, good morning. Let me shoot the story time, guys. I'll see you later. So I have this cute robe. You guys have seen it before, and I don't have anything applied on my skin. I actually showered in the morning. Let me get started with the story time. Bye guys, I'll see you later. I'll see you probably later when I have my makeup on so that you can see the outcome. Hi guys, so I did finish doing my makeup, and yeah, so this is the look that I settled for. What was that? I did my makeup, but halfway there I didn't even powder my face. I didn't spray my setting spray because Tam woke up in the middle of it. So but I just decided to stay like this. I'm actually sweaty right now on the face. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if the camera can pick that. I'm just from doing a lot of TikToks, and I actually didn't even finish filming the story time. So I want to finish the story time now before he wakes up again, because he's taken his second nap. And yeah, I can do more TikToks later on. I haven't even had lunch and it's almost 4 p.m. so I want to finish up with the story time and yeah, do the other things, because also I need to prepare dinner really early today. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, and yeah, so happy February guys, in case I didn't say it. Happy month of love, they call it. So it's kind of noisy outside and I'm not using the ring light. I'm just here at the window, so that's why. But sorry guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what to say. Is it morning or good afternoon? I think it's around 2 p.m. Yeah, it's 2:13 p.m. Hi guys, I know I look pale, so today I've been doing some cleaning in the house. Actually, the rug cleaning, and I finished quite late at around 13:50 and headed straight to the shower. All this time Tantam was asleep. This is the first time I'm picking the camera today. It's around 2 something p.m. in the afternoon, and today I've had a busy morning. All this time Tantam was asleep, so we woke up at our usual time, washed the dishes, fed Tamtam, played for a bit, and Tamtam went to take his first nap. And when he went to sleep, minutes later, I decided to start off with the cleaning. Tamtam wants to look at you guys. Okay, say hi. Here. Can I talk? Can I talk? My baby. Hiya, so right now Tamtam woke up a few minutes ago. I'm waiting for Tamtam's food to cool off. I've placed it in a water bath, and I want to show you guys what I'm going to be having for breakfast stroke lunch. I haven't had anything since yesterday night, so let me show you that. And later on I'll feed Tamtam, then we play for a little bit. When he goes to take his second nap, I'll edit a video that is supposed to be up tomorrow. It's actually a story time, so I hope I'll manage to edit it, and thereafter it will be already evening, prepare supper, and yeah, the cycle continues. So let me show you. These are the purpose that babe prepared in the morning, and some biscuits, some leftover fries, and some tropical juice from some Afia juice. This is the mixed fruit. So that's breakfast for me, or lunch. Let us eat. I'll see you guys later. You want to see what's there? Okay, come, we sit, then we eat. Come. Come, Baba. Come. Clap for Tam Tam. For daddy. Do it again. Clap for Tam Tam. Come slowly. Come. Tam Tam. Slowly. Tam Tam. Come, Baba. Tamtam had gone to take his nap, and I just wanted to organize my closet. So I'm first beginning with my tops, and these are all my tops, the officials, the casual, everything. So these are all the tops that I own. I know they are quite a lot, and I want to organize them in a manner that when I want a particular cloth, I can see it and I can get it without actually like disarranging my closet, because the way they were, I just didn't even remember I owned some.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision.
Guys, so we're back from town and I did make lunch. So I already fed Tam his lunch. I'm looking down because Tam is here walking. So I want to show you mine. Then I eat and catch up with some YouTube videos. This is what I made for lunch. Some omelette, spaghetti, and I'm having it with this Afia juice. And to the eggs I just added green bell pepper, and that's my simple lunch. Tam had the same lunch too. And I also have my notebook here, my diary, my Bible. I want to do some stuff. I'll update you guys later. Tam, where have you put this upper? Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Why do you have water here? Stand there, then you come, you show them. Aya, come daddy. Come Tam. Good boy. I'm here. Wow, good boy.
Holding on to your love. I don't wanna be waiting on you, babe. I don't wanna be holding on to your love. I don't wanna be waiting on you, babe. I don't wanna be holding on to your love. I don't wanna be waiting on you, babe.
Hi guys, so I'm about to serve dinner. I actually made ugali only and prepared some kachumbari. So I'm supposed to add this here. This is just for babe and I. Tam won't to be having the kachumbari. So you're going to be having ugali, chicken. This one's like this because we were like taking a little for Tam before I finish up warming everything. So you have the greens, which I made yesterday. So I'm going to serve this, and these cute balls. I wanted to show you guys these cute balls. I got them from Quick Mart in Eldoret. I really love them. They're so cute for taking breakfast, for taking breakfast, let's say Weetabix or just fruits. I really love them. How cute are they? I also love the color. Wow, very, very cute. So I'm obsessed with these two. I've been washing them every other time. Tam took porridge with them in the morning. Used one in the morning when he was taking his porridge. Babe used the other when he was taking Weetabix. Lunchtime I washed them, used them again. At 4 p.m. when I was feeding Tam, I washed it again so that I can use it. I'm obsessed. Anyway, so these are the greens. I've already warmed them up. 2 quarters. So yeah. And these fruits, I just removed them from the fridge. I chilled them. This is pawpaw and pineapple and some more pineapple. They're like this because it had over-ripened, but it's very, very sweet. So yeah, let's mix everything. Let's serve, guys, and this is our dinner. So I actually have a migraine, but I'll be okay. So I want to have some painkillers before I eat. So
I found a picture we took many years ago. When I said to you we would never grow.
So I'm adding in this paprika, green chili. I want it hot. And to the kachumbari, I'm going to also add some salt. I would have also added some vinegar, but unfortunately we ran out of vinegar in this house. We need to restock on that. So I'm just mixing it up. So I just used onion and 2 tomatoes. And our food is ready.
Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away.
Aki baby is shouting on the phone. We have chicken, kachumbari, greens, and ugali. And yeah, that's how our plates look like. And this is the salad, fruit salad, pineapple and some pawpaw. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is dinner for us. I'm going to eat, then probably sleep because I feel so tired. Today I've been doing a lot of cleaning around the house. Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen and I'm making lunch. Tantam is currently asleep and today is a Wednesday, so
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
it's already cooking.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
As the breakfast is cooking, and by 8 a.m. I'm done with the utensils and I'm done with breakfast. And at this point Tam's dad is leaving or has already left the house, so I'm left alone. So I try do some cleaning around the house, tidy up the living area, and as I wait for Tam to wake up. Sometimes he does wake himself up, and other times when I see that his time is he's sleeping beyond his little schedule, that I always want him to wake up at 8:30. So I go wake him up, and basically that's it. At this time his porridge is already cooling down. I'll do a detailed morning routine, but an updated one, because things have changed a little bit. And that's how I start my morning, and that way I have less work throughout the day. Like now when he's taking his first nap, I told you guys it's around 1 p.m. I've been organizing the closet. I just have time to myself. So when he goes back to his second nap, now I have my own time. I can watch a movie, I can Netflix, I can catch up on social media. And another thing, I don't use my phone when I wake up. So the first time, like today, I did hold my phone at 10:40 something a.m. after I'd finished with feeding Tam and we were just playing and watching Cocomelon. And that's how I'm hacking the mom life. it's interesting so far. And yesterday I did get a new cleaning lady, and she comes from far away, but I like her work, I think. So yesterday I did everything, the cleaning, the washing, the utensils, cleaning the house. I just delegated the clothes because there were so many. I'm supposed to go and unhang them because I know most of them have dried by now because it's really sunny. So that's all about my day. So after this I just want to serve our food. When it cools down, Tam Tam will wake up, then I feed Tam Tam, then hopefully I would have finished arranging my closet by then. And I'm also folding their clothes, and just let me just say our clothes that I had already dried up yesterday. She washed a lot of clothes. I piled clothes again for 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks or so. I'm just getting the house back to its good state, and I'm not planning to pile clothes again. I'm happy I found a cleaning lady. So yesterday I briefed her a little bit that I'll be needing her to come at least twice a week, and those are 8 times a month. The rest of the days I can pretty much handle the work. It's not a lot. The only reason I need her most is because of the laundry, and they're actually now considering getting a washing machine. Before it wasn't such a priority, but now it really is. So yeah, that's all about my day. I hope you guys are doing well. Like the video, share, and I think I look a little bit pale. Anyway, so this is me, and this is my life now. I can't believe this is what my life has become, but I'm loving it. I'm actually enjoying it, being a hands-on mom. I've always been a hands-on to Tam Tam, but not excluding all the other house chores. But now I'm doing everything, and yeah, I'm really proud of myself. So see you later, guys. As you can see, our rice is ready. So I'm just going to switch off, and I was waiting for these tomatoes to cook so that I can add these eggs. So I actually do fry my eggs before before cooking them in onions and tomatoes. I love this method because it reduces the smell of the eggs, and I really don't like that smell.
Said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place.
Cut him a little portion so that he can have it. He loves the eggs more when it's fried, so I'll give him this as a snack. Let me just cover it up. So I'm done cooking. I'm headed back to the room so that I can my glasses are so dirty. I'm going to wipe them later. Bye guys. Hi guys, so it's definitely the next day. Let me post that television first. Hi guys, so it's definitely the next day, and I have all this laundry. A bunch is on the chair, and the next is this green laundry basket and this other laundry basket. So I want to arrange this laundry. I want to fold the laundry and put them in their respective places while Tam Tam is asleep. So I hope I would have been done when he's almost waking up, or I'll be almost finishing up when he's waking up. So yeah, let's get to it. I won't vlog. I'll just be watching a movie or catching up with vlogs as I fold all these clothes. There's so many, and the cleaning lady cleaned from 9 a.m. to 6 something p.m. You can imagine. I get started and finish up with the laundry, and then I can start making dinner. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not here